Hi guys, new knife day. This is the GiantMouse GMF1-GM. It is the MagnaCut version. So you also have it in N690 and you have it in M390. So on paper this should be the best version of this knife ever made. Let's have a look at it. It's well packaged. This is it. So what do we have here? We have two stickers for when every knife owner knows that you will cut yourself with your knife. So this will undoubtedly come in handy. Some food. We have a nice sticker here, and then we have this card. What does it say? Hey Dimitri, yes, my name is Dimitri. Enjoy your new GMF1-GM. Thanks so much. Greetings from Hamburg. So, alright, very nice guys from knifelounge.com. I will put the link in the description. So, very nice packaging. This knife, well, this company is American, but it is designed and manufactured in Italy. And as we know, Italy really knows how to package a knife. The packaging is very well done, and this is no exception. Let's have a look here. All right. So, some protection for the knife. And this is it. That looks really, really nice. So it says MagnaCut here. So this is a very small fixed blade knife. It's meant for EDC carry. So yeah, for a fixed blade, I mean, every detail matters. There's nowhere to hide. Fit, finish. It all looks very, very good. Then, very important, even more important for a fixed blade is the sheath. Because, I mean, this is meant for everyday carry. If the sheath is no good, then you will not be carrying it. So let's have a look. How would this go in here? So it says handmade in Italy. It looks nice. It looks very sturdy. So this one is in black. The other GiantMouse sheets are in, the regular ones are in brown. I think the brown ones are a bit prettier, but okay, well, this one you only get in black. So how does this go in here? Is it like this? Let's try that. Okay. Okay, fits nicely. So, yeah, I mean, retention is very, very good. This will not come out. Everything is nicely encased. You will not cut yourself. So that's very nice. Let's quickly measure it. Voila, here is my trusty measuring device. So sheath and all included is about 15 centimeters. So this will fit in most male pockets. Female pockets perhaps not so much, but for everyday carry for males it is perfectly do. So this can actually replace your regular everyday carry. Of course, it is bigger, but you get the sturdiness of a fixed blade. Now that we're at it, let's quickly measure it to see. So first I'll measure it with the, because you will be using this. So in total 4.3 ounces, 4.3 ounces and 122 grams. That is with the sheath. So I think that's quite impressively low. See, it takes quite a lot of effort to remove it from its sheath. That is good. How much does the knife weigh itself? 68 grams. That is very low, 2.4 ounces. So I think that is very good. So, okay, the steel, yeah, it's MagnaCut. Quick note on this. So the other ones are M390 and N690. So the MagnaCut, of course, is much tougher than both other steels. The question now is, I know that the regular version is 4mm stick. And the M390, there is a fat version that is 5mm thick. Let's see if they have just changed out the steel or really improved the geometry. Because with MagnaCut, it is a tougher steel, so you can actually go thinner. You can actually reduce the geometry. So they did make it thinner, I am under the impression. Let's have a look here. Yeah, clearly, yeah. Okay, so they did make it thinner. On spec, it is 3.8. So this will slice better. And this is only possible because the MagnaCut is a tougher steel that allows you to reduce the geometry and improve the sliciness of the blade. So I think well done, GiantMouse. So ergonomics, yes. This, of course, it's a 3-finger blade, so my pinky here won't get any purchase on the knife, but automatically you put your thumb on the jimping here, and that offers really a good grip. I mean, I can really go all out with this grip, so there's nothing wrong with this. This will offer you the full potential of a regular knife, the full strength of cutting of a regular knife. So very, very, very good. This is clearly a knife that is meant to be used, not just carry. Yeah, I think ergonomics are perfectly fine. So yeah, it's a flat grind. Grind is very nice. One thing I'm missing a bit is I noticed that there is no sharpening choil here, and that's a bit of a missed opportunity. But other than that, yeah, I think this will be a very fun knife. This is going to be my daily carry from now on, so I will be carrying this every day for at least a month, because I'm going to properly test it. To me, this is a user. So what is the price? Well, it costs, I think, 250, 230 euros on the website. I paid 311 euros. So initially I thought I ordered on GiantMouse.com. I ordered it, but then I noticed that there are very extraordinarily high shipping prices. Order it anyway. And then I get a mail, and apparently it is sent out from Michigan. I didn't know that GiantMouse, I knew that GiantMouse was Italian. Apparently it's just an American company, but it is produced and designed in Italy, but shipped from Michigan in America. So, okay, that does not work so well for me because I have to pay huge import taxes and customs and such. So I cancelled the sale and I ordered it in knifelaunch.com, a German web shop, and that one sent it on to me. Then I will thank them later. One thing that I am very happy to see here is the fact that they actually adopted, and they do that all, that they changed the geometry based on the steel, and they had been doing that for the other steel as well. For example, the M390 is very thick. M390 is not a sturdy steel, so you need thicker geometry to offer the same toughness. This now truly is the best cutting knife of the line. With this geometry in this steel, you will get, yeah, you will probably fly past M390 in cutting ability, I think. Of course, that needs to be tested. So what I will be doing now, I will test this for a month, and then I will do an in-depth review of this absolutely cute little knife. If you like my reviews, please subscribe, and you can watch another video in the corner here. See you guys later.